No. Yes, I'm Puck. That's me. That's
Just who I wanted to see.
I don't. Really? Are you sure it was me? No. No, I want you.
Of course you do. I'm a favorite.
No, I'm alright. I'm just gonna.
No, not that one. Not that. Different one. This one. Different favor. Different favor.
Yeah, no, maybe. I have. Money or gold or forever
Trails.
life.
Okay. Yeah, you weren't gonna kill. Yeah, you might kill me.
Yeah, I like my life, and I'd like to keep it. I mean,
Yes,
maybe,
yes.
I mean,
Okay.
gold would have been nicer,
Anyway,
but
okay.
I need you to go into the forest and fetch me the flower that has been touched by
you.
Now, whoever has embraced the dust of this plant can in love.
Okay.
You want it so you and little Miss Titania can, spark the love again, like the good old, no. No? Are you sure?
Get out of here!